First of all, I want to thank you, Dr. Rashid, to invite us to be present in this conference. It's a really pleasure, my personal pleasure. I'm very proud to introduce my company and what we can do for energy saving and for water bottle plant. Okay. As you see on the title of the presentation, now we are focused on one example of the sustainability in the water business. I mean, the bottler in the company that's going to fill water in PET application. Before to go ahead, just a few words about the company, just to let you know what we are doing, who we are. Actually, SIPA is a part of the Zoppas Groups, is a family business based in Italy. We have two main business. One is related to ether elements, where we have over 10 plants worldwide. The part that I'm going to introduce to you today is a SIPA. We are focused on the beverage fields. It means everything can be filled in plastic, everything can be produced in plastic, complete filling line, preform, and so on. It means we are supplier of equipment with a long experience in beverage and bottling know-how. Before to focus on what I'm going to introduce today, I would like to show you some number in order to understand the capability of the water application and what we can do to improve the energy saving, to help the environment, to reduce the pollution and everything. As you can see here, this is the bottled water consumption from all Middle East market. We are considering from 2017 up to 2022, according to Euromonitor International, that is giving us this number. As you can see, the water consumption, as we have seen in the previous presentation, is growing, is expected to grow more. As UAE, we are on the third position, still growing, according to the data that Euromonitor gave us. This focus on UAE only water bottle consumption. It means we are talking about PET plastic packaging solution, not considering glass. It means from 2016 up to 2021, we have 1.4 billion liter consumption in UAE, only in UAE. How we can divide this consumption? Actually, as everybody knows, we have the majority of the consumption up to date in still bottled water made in plastic. When we have some other product that's coming up on the market, it is like carbonate bottled water, very, very small compared what we can see for still water, and flavored bottled water. That means even all of them are still growing. Some of them are growing very quick, some others are growing very, very slow. If we divide the bottle consumption by size, we can see that in UAE, majority of the packaging is 500 ml. After that, we have 1.5 liter. As you can see here, 1.5 liter, 500 ml. Small packaging, as we can see here, is expecting to grow like 330, like 200 ml, while 1.5 liter is expecting to go down a little bit from 2020 and 2021. We have also another packaging that's coming up on the market that is big size, 5 liter, 6 liter, 12 liter, 15 liter. This is just focused to reduce the plastic on the market, because if you are able to provide big quantity of water in one packaging, it will be much better than provide the same quantity with a small packaging in terms of plastic. Carbonate bottled water, the main size is 1 liter, 500 ml, 330, and 450. We are expecting some growing in 1 liter, while 500 ml, we are expecting some reduction in the volume. All of that, just to arrive at the conclusion that in all UAE market, we have 1.3 billion plastic bottles per year. We are producing 1.3 billion. According to this data, you can see from 2019, million units. Historical growth is 6.5. We are still expecting 5.6% growing in using plastic. Also, if you know, there are a big debate about the plastic is not good, is good. We are trying to reduce the plastic in the single-serve use. What we need to take from this number is the big opportunity that we have nowadays to recycling this big number of bottles, not just to considering as waste. It means that there is over 1.3 billion bottles that are waiting to be recycled and to re-put in the economy again. How we can do this? Now we will see how it can be possible, how people are doing, and which countries are moving toward this direction. Majority of the players that are already on the market, big companies, like as you can see here, Coke, like Henkel, like Nestlé, Evian, brand name that for sure you know, are already focused in 100% recycled PET plastic bottle. This is just working against what the nation is telling, that we need to cut the plastic, we need to reduce the single-serve use because there are a lot of waste material around the world, on the ground, on the sea. But again, this should be considered as a big opportunity for the business, big opportunity for the environment as well. This idea came out in 2014. There was a first idea from my company together with another company, German company. And then we came out for the first prototyping in 2016. And then we have the first plant in 2018 running in Japan for Suntory. Suntory is one of the biggest producers in Japan, and they are very focused on recycling material.